Today we are watch the video for IT Pitter Trade Theory Semester 4 2016 old question paper language English. This question full title in front of the question paper, total marks 150, hours 3 hours, each wrong question 25% mark reduce. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Let's come this subject. Question number 1. The accurate placing of teeth in a care blank requires the use of dash. This question answer option A correct answer. Dividing head. Question number 2. Helical gear can be cut on which type of milling machine? This question answer universal. Option C correct answer. Universal. Question number 3. The carburation is tone on dash. This question answer low carbon steel. Option C correct answer. Low carbon steel. Question number 4. The standard pipetting are provided with thread conforming with dash. This question answer BSP. Option C correct answer. Question number 5. Which clutch can be engaged progressively when one or both the element of rotating? This question answer cone clutch. Option B correct answer. Cone clutch. Question number 6. The included angle of the pipe thread is dash. The included angle of pipe thread is dash. This question answer 55 degree. Option C correct answer. Question number 7. The damaged external thread are rectified by dash. The damaged external thread are rectified by dash. This question answer tie nut. Option A correct answer. Tie nut. Question number 8. Where a large speed reduction is desired, which type of gear is used? Where a large speed reduction is desired, which type of gear is used? This question answer warm and warmill. Option A correct answer. Warm and warmill. Option A correct answer. Question number 9. Which type of gear convert rotary motion to linear motion? Which type of gear convert rotary motion to linear motion? This question answer correct answer rack and pinion. Option A correct answer. Question number 10. In the pipe assembly, the hem packing is used to dash. In the pipe assembly, the hem packing is used to dash. This question is avoid leakage. Option B correct answer. Avoid leakage. Question number 11. Which type of following can hold the work, locate the work and guide the tool at the desired position? Which of the following can hold the work, locate the work and guide the tool at the desired position? This question answer drill jig. Option C correct answer. Drill jig. Question number 12. The application of pressure pad in picture is to dash. The application of pressure pad in picture is to. This question answer observe shock. Option C correct answer. Observe shock. Question number 13. Identify the type of fitting shown in figure. Identify the type of fitting shown in figure. This question answer union. Option D correct answer. Union. Question number 14. Gears having the teeth elements parallel to the rotating shaft are known as dash. Gears having the teeth element parallel to the rotating shaft are known as dash. This question answer spur gear. Option B correct answer spur gear. Question number 15. The fuel, leak, wood, vapor, cloth, solid material, etc. come under which classes of fire? The fuel, like wood, vapor, cloth, solid material, etc. come under which class of fire? This question answer class A fire. Option A correct answer. Class A fire. Question number 16. Which metal is used for coating in galvanizing? Which metal is used for coating in galvanizing? This question answer zinc. Option C correct answer zinc. Question number 17. Water flow from tap even when firmly closed. What is the reason? Water flow from tap even when firmly closed. What is the reason? This question answer defective washer. Option A correct answer. Defective washer. Question number 18. Aluminum is widely used in aircraft industry because it is dash. Aluminum is widely used in aircraft industry because it is dash. This question answer light in weight. Option C correct answer. Light in weight. Question number 19. Which type of gas flame is most suitable for bracing? Which type of gas flame is most suitable for bracing? This question answer oxy-acetylene gas flame. Option C correct answer. Oxy-acetylene gas flame. Question number 20. Bronze is an alloy of dash. Bronze is an alloy of dash. This question answer copper and tin. Option A correct answer. Copper and tin. Question number 21. The radial distance between the pitch circle and root circle is called dash. The radial distance between the pitch circle and the root circle is called dash. This question answer dedendum. Option A correct answer dedendum. Question number 22. Which one of the following is liquid lubricant? Which one of the following is liquid lubricant? This question answer synthetic oil. Option C correct answer. Synthetic oil. Question number 23. Name the lubricator shown in figure. Name the lubricator shown in figure. This question answer Wickfield lubricator. Option A correct answer. Wickfield lubricator. Question number 24. Drilling jigs are used for dash. Drilling jigs are used for dash. This question answer drilling, reaming, tapping and other allied operation. Option C correct answer. Option C correct answer. Question number 25. Identify the footprint wrench shown in figure. Identify the footprint wrench shown in figure. This question answer B correct answer. This image is correct answer. Foot shape. Question number 26. The fire triangle in fire cassette is identified as dash. The fire triangle in fire cassettes is identified as dash. This question answer fuel, oxygen and heat. Option A correct answer. Question number 27. The master cage is dash. A master gauge is dash. This question answer. Standard gauge for checking accuracy of gauges used on shop floor. Option B correct answer. A standard gauge for checking accuracy of gauges used on shop floor. Question number 28. In a V build, the angle between the sides is dash. In a V build, the angle between the side is dash. This question answer 40 degree. Option D correct answer. Question number 29. Name the fixed type of foundation mold that is usually forged and filled up with lead and cement. Name the fixed type foundation mold that is usually forged and filled up with lead and cement. This question answer rack mold. Option B correct answer. Rack mold. Question number 30. Which type of crowbar is easier to handle and the point will fit into a narrow cap? Which type of crowbar is easier to handle and the point will fit into a narrow cap? This question answer short crowbar. Option A correct answer. Short crowbar. Question number 31. Which is used to provide a decorative and corrosion resistant coating on aluminum and its alloy? Which is used to provide a decorative and corrosion resistant coating on aluminum and its alloy? This question answer anodizing. Option B correct answer. Anodizing. Question number 32. What is the function of torque clutch? What is the function of torque clutch? This question answer it can only be engaged when two elements of the clutch are stationary. Option B correct answer. Question number 33. The uses of travelling wall crane is dash. The uses of travelling wall crane is dash. This question answer it allow the load to move three direction. Option B correct answer. Three direction. Question number 34. The sensitiveness of the spirit level depends upon the dash. The sensitiveness of the spirit level depends upon the dash. This question answer curvature of the glass tube. Option D correct answer. Curvature of the glass tube. Question number 35. In which clutch the pressure plate is used? In which clutch the pressure plate is used? This question answer multi-plate clutch. Option A correct answer. Question number 36. Name the belt drive shown in figure. Name the belt drive shown in figure. This question open belt drive. Option C correct answer. Open belt drive. Question number 37. Generally, solder is an alloy of dash. Generally, solder is an alloy of dash. This question answer lead and tin. Option B correct answer. Lead and tin. Question number 38. Aluminium is extracted from the ore. Aluminium is extracted from the ore. This question answer bauxite. Option B correct answer. Bauxite. Question number 39. Best conductor of heat and electricity is dash. Best conductor of heat and electricity is dash. This question answer copper. Option D correct answer copper. Question number 40. Which of the following is the non-metallic anti-corrosion treatment? Which of the following is the non-metallic anti-corrosion treatment? This question answer cladding. Option B correct answer. Cladding. Question number 41. Which of the following fire extinguishing agent is suitable for a live electrical fire? Which of the following fire extinguishing agent is suitable for a live electrical fire? This question is a carbon dioxide. Option B correct answer, carbon dioxide. Question number 42. In brace welding, the filler rod melting point is dash. In brace welding, the filler rod melting point is dash. This question answer above 450 degrees Celsius. Option A correct answer. Question number 43. Which metal can be joined by soldering and pressing easily than aluminum? Which metal can be joined by soldering and pressing easily than aluminum? This question answer copper. Option B correct answer. Question number 44. Which pipe wrench is used for holding large diameter of pipe? Which pipe wrench is used for holding large diameter of pipe? This question answer chain wrench. Option A correct answer. Option A correct answer, chain wrench. Question number 45. The belt slip due to dash. The belt slips due to dash. This question answer less tension. Option A correct answer, less tension. Question number 46. Taper keys are rectangular cross section. They have a taper of dash. Taper keys are rectangle cross section. They have a taper of dash. This question 1:100 on the thickness. Option A correct answer, 1:100. Question number 47. The standard size of V belt from section D, nominal tap width is dash. The standard size of V belt from section D, nominal top width is dash. This question answer 32 mm. Option B correct answer. Question number 48. The error in squareness can be accurately determined by using a dash. The error in squareness can be accurately determined by using a dash. This question answer cylinder square and slip gauge. Option C correct answer. Question number 49. The spirit level is used for checking the level of machine when dash. The spirit level is used for checking the level of machine when dash. This question is erecting the machine. Option B correct answer, erecting the machine. Question number 50. What is the function of soldering iron in the soldering process? What is the function of the soldering iron in the soldering process? This question answer melt the solder. Option B correct answer. Dear friends, this question paper is used to all friends. Thanks to all.